Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Boots app not working. So let's get started. So here we have to scroll down and we can see here the Boots app. Okay. So if it's not working for you, you have to just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. Then here you have to scroll down and here you can see the storage section. Just click on that. And then you have to click on the clear data and clear the data. Okay. Then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, then you have to open your Google Play Store search bar. Search it there as the Boots website app. Okay. So at here we can see like Boots, one of the app I've downloaded. Then you have to open it, and then you have to click on the install button, and from there you can update it. Okay, sorry, installation not. You can click on the update button and install the latest update, and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.